How to leave comments and communicate inside cards in Trello. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are working with teammates on Trello and wondering how to chat, leave updates, or communicate inside cards, here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the Trello application on your smartphone or your web browser and log into your account. Once you're logged into the Trello homepage, go ahead and choose the board where you want to communicate with your team. After opening up one of your boards, go ahead and click on the card. And once you open up the card, you'll see a comment section at the very bottom. Go ahead and tap on the comment section and then enter your comment, update, question, or instruction for your teammate. Write down your comment and then click on Save. If you want to mention a team member in the comment, go ahead and tap on the @ icon right underneath the box and select your contact or the member you want to tag. Once you are done, click on the Save button and you have added a comment. And that's it. Now you know how to leave comments and communicate inside Trello cards like a pro. It is super simple but powerful way to keep teamwork smooth, organized, and productive. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.